Hello, welcome back to English class. Let's study with your English language teacher. Today we are going to start a very important topic from your grammar, that is subject verb agreement. The verb of a sentence agrees with number and person of the subject of that sentence. Singular subjects take singular verbs, plural subjects take plural verbs. Let's study some examples. The student is reading. So the student singular verb that is used, that is shown in highlighted part, that is singular. The students here, students plural. That's why the highlighted verb, helping verb are, that is also plural. Next one, he likes sweets. He singular. That's why we have used likes, singular verb, singular subject, singular verbs. And here one thing we should like to discuss, that is finite verb. A finite verb always agrees with its subject in number and person. So likes, finite verb. Student is reading, finite verb. The students are reading, finite verb. They like here also, finite verb. So verbs are agreed according to the subjects. What is a singular verb? The form of verb that is used in the case of third person singular number subject is the singular verb. Let's give some examples. Is, was, has, does, and all s, yes, or is verbs. Let's study some examples. Manan is the host of the party. So here Manan is singular. So that's why is here singular verb is used. Let's go back to the previous page. So here the form of verb that is used in the case of third person singular number subject is the singular verb. So here is. In the next page we have used is. Let's show Manan is. So Manan singular subject. The verb that is used also is, that is singular. Manan is the host of the party. Next, Manas was not present in the party. The Manas singular subject and verb that is used also singular. Next one, he has a red bicycle. He also singular. And verb that is used is also singular. Next, Vipin sir teaches us English. So Vipin sir is here singular, and verb that is used teaches is also singular. Next, she goes to school every day. She singular subject, goes singular verb. Next, what is plural verb? The form of verb that is used in the case of plural subject is called the plural verb. There are, were, have, and all base forms of verb in present tense. Examples: Manan and Manas are the host of the party. So Manan and Manas, plural subjects. So verb that is used in highlighted part also plural are. Next, Manas and Kartike were present in the party. So Manas and Kartike are plural subjects. So verb agreed according to the plural subjects were, that is also plural. Next one, third one, they have many bicycles. They, plural subjects. So the verb agreed with the subject also plural, that is have. Vipin sir and Ajay sir teach us English. So Vipin sir and Ajay sir plural subjects, and verb agreed with the plural subjects is also plural verb, that is teach. Another example, let's study another example. Her brother and she. Her brother and she plural subjects, and agreed with the plural verb, that is go, and that is shown with red. Understood? Highlighted part. So when the subject, first rule we are coming, when the subject consists of two or more nouns or pronouns joined by and, a plural verb is used. For example, Dev and Anuj are playing. So here are playing tennis. Dev and Anuj are playing tennis. So Dev and Anuj. Here subject, when the subject consists of two or more nouns, here two nouns are Dev and Anuj joined by and plural verb is used, that is are. Next example, Mita and Rita, plural subjects joined by and verb that is used also plural, that is have. Mita and Rita have joined a book reading club. Next, very important, whatever I am going to discuss, this one is very important. Two singular nouns connected by and but denoting the same person, that time take a singular verb denoting same person. The principal and manager. The principal and manager refers to the same person. जो प्रिंसिपल वही मैनेजर है, दैट्स वाई सिंगुलर वर्ब इज यूज्ड वॉच. The principal and manager was present in the meeting. But my dear students, you should remember, if these two nouns are joined by the principal and the manager, that time verb will be plural. That time principal and manager are two different persons. My brother and teacher teaches me English. So my brother and teacher refers to same person. That's why verb that is used, that is singular verb. My brother and teacher same person. That means here singular nouns connected by and but denoting the same person take a singular verb, that is teaches. Next, and second, in the second one, my brother and the teacher. Had it been the teacher, so that time there the verb would have been according to the plural subjects. That time it would have been teach. My brother and my teacher. My brother and my teacher teach me English. The poet and philosopher is a great human being. The poet and philosopher denotes same person. That's why singular verb is used, that is. And had it been the poet and the philosopher, that time plural verb are should have been used. Let's proceed to the fourth one, the writer and fighter is delivering a speech. So here two singular nouns connected by and but denoting the same person. That's why take a singular verb, that is. If two subjects together express an idea, the verb must be in singular. For example, slow and steady wins the race. So it refers to same idea, slow and steady. Bread and butter. bread and butter is a wholesome food. So bread and butter refers to an same idea, refers to the same idea. That's why singular verb is used, very important. And rest of the part I will discuss in part 2. Since it is very important, there are many rules and it is very difficult to remember. That's why I have just divided in parts. So this is the part 1. If you have got benefited out of this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.